Hi, you guys. Welcome to Distance Learning Week 4. The date is April 20th through the 24th. So something was brought to my attention that potentially what I called week 1, other teachers might have called week 0. So if that's been confusing for you, I apologize. That's never my intention to make things more confusing. So I thought about going back and changing this to week 3 and just having 2 week 3s, but then I thought that's confusing. So we're just going to keep going. So if we happen to be quote unquote week ahead, we're not really a week ahead. I just didn't start with week 0. I started with week 1. Okay, so after you watch this video won't be a long one, but please plan to attend our Zoom meeting. You know the times directly after you watch this video. Since this is a short video, I would recommend going through and looking at the assignments, maybe clicking on the links, getting things open so that when you come to the Zoom meeting, if you need help or clarification on anything, you've already taken the time to look through what's coming. So since this will be a short video, I recommend doing that before jumping on our weekly Zoom meeting. So our agenda for this week, we are looking at our second source for our mass extinction essay. So this week you're going to be listening to a podcast called Dinopocalypse. You'll take notes while you're listening, complete the podcast graphic organizer, and then type up your second body paragraph. So if you recall from last week, we started our mass extinction essay, which will end up being 6 paragraphs. We're looking at several different sources. Last week you guys watched the movie The Day the Mesozoic Died. I hope you enjoyed it. I thought it was very interesting. So this week we will be listening to the podcast called Radiolab Dinopocalypse. Okay. So right here, this is linked for you. It is a podcast, but you can watch them talking. So really it's you listening. It's not something visual per se, but you can kind of watch it as you listen. So this is the podcast linked here along with the notes that you'll be filling in as you go. Once you've listened to the podcast and filled in the notes, you're going to, just like last week, you're going to be filling in the graphic organizer that says podcast at the top. So writing your claim, your source, and your 3 pieces of evidence. Again, I will film a video of me going through this with you. So if you want to go through it together, it will be linked on the welcome page on Neo. So just like last week, you can continue working on the same graphic organizer document that you had open last week. If you remember, it started with the movie, and then the podcast, and then the article, so on and so forth. Okay, so go ahead, you can open that up, the one you worked on last week, and fill in this podcast graphic organizer. As you keep scrolling after the graphic organizer, this is the body paragraph template, right? You're writing the body paragraphs that are going into your essay. So using that graphic organizer that you just completed, you'll continue to write your second body paragraph using this template right here. Again, I will be going through this with you if you'd like to watch the instructional video that I have linked on the welcome page on Neo. Your third task for this week, so once you've finished the graphic organizer and the body paragraph template, it's now time to type up that body paragraph, right? So you're first kind of structuring out the body paragraph, and now you need to type it up right after your first body paragraph, which came from the movie. So if you did not attend the Zoom meeting last week, or you did not open up the mass extinction essay and share it with me correctly, please make sure that you do that. I have the directions linked again for you to follow. It's really important that you follow them exactly as you see them because it changes how I can see it on my end. So make sure you follow the directions correctly. If you've already done that, you can open up your mass extinction essay. It's located in Google Docs. You can also get to it by going to the assignment on Neo and clicking Submit Answer, and it will show you the answer that you have submitted. So there's many ways to get to that Google Doc, but one thing I wanted to point out is that you likely have two copies in your Google Drive or in your Google Docs. One will be the one you renamed, like it will say Sarah Avers Mass Extinction Essay or Nicole G Mass Extinction Essay. And then you'll have a second one that says copy of Sarah Avers Mass Extinction Essay. You want to make sure you're working on the one that does not say copy of. So you want to work on the original document that says your name, Mass Extinction Essay. So that's a really important point. Make sure you're not working on the copy of. You're working on the original document because that's the one that I can see. That's the one that I have access to. So on that essay document, you'll be typing up your second body paragraph. So you should already have one body paragraph from last week typed up, and now you will type up your second body paragraph from the podcast. Okay, so that's it for this week. It's not too much work. So if you need to catch up on anything, please take the time to do that. And that's it. So go ahead and go through these assignments, pull things open, make sure you can access the correct essay document, and then plan on attending our Zoom meeting shortly after.